big fucking bass. Oh, actually, probably that same one, huh? I had a bite, first bite that I've had in a while. So he'll take it again. Like it won't, huh? Probably a bass. Got one, got one. As soon as it landed, bro. As soon as it landed. Nice snook. No, that's a bass. I knew it. I fucking knew it was gonna be a bass. A big bass, too. Big fucking bass. Bro, get your ass up here. That big ass fucking bass. Shit. Nah, you can't. I knew it was a fucking bass. Fuck, I need a scale, man. The size on this fucking bass, dude. See if I can hang up my phone somewhere. I have a tripod, but I don't want to leave the fish outside the water for too long. Look at this. This bad boy. Let me see if I can. Hopefully you can see him all there. Nice bass. Yeah, so we'll let him go on the other side. Fuck, I can't reach down there, but. There he goes over there. Yeah, he'll be better off on this side. Fish in here. See no action though. I'm just gonna put a new tail on this. Maybe it's a tail, the way it's swimming. There used to be so many fish around. I wonder where. Let's try to work the bottom. But over here, I'm gonna try to take a couple casts real quick. Got one. As soon as it landed, bro, what the fuck? Did I snag him? It had to be snagged. No, as soon as it fucking landed, little guy just ate it. I saw a swirl over there. Fucking casted it. That's how you catch a fish real fast. And brackish spillways, still catching bass, man. Come on. But when I go try the bass spillway, I catch no bass. Oh, the fucking tarpon came out of the water for it. Hopefully I recorded that. Damn. Little guy too. Got one. Got one. Oh, what the fuck? What are you doing? Eating the NOBN. I guess anything will really eat these, huh? Just let them go. Oh shit. My bad, bro. Man, that shit hit it. Hit the fuck out of it too.